In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Getquin. If you're looking to stop all emails and notifications from Getquin, the process is quick and happens entirely on their official unsubscribe page. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, explain what each part means, and share a few tips to make sure it works the first time. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to https://getquin.com unsubscribe. This is the dedicated page Getquin provides for opting out, so you don't need to dig through settings or hunt for tiny links at the bottom of emails. When the page loads, you should see a simple form designed specifically to remove you from all communications. Next, you'll be asked to add your user ID. This is the unique identifier associated with your Getquin account. If you're unsure where to find it, check the profile or account section in the Getquin app or on the website. Sometimes a user ID also appears in account-related emails you've received from Getquin. A helpful tip here is to copy and paste the ID directly to avoid typos. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it, and that you're using the exact characters shown in your account. Some systems treat uppercase and lowercase differently. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're entering the user ID for the account you want to unsubscribe. Once your user ID is in place, click the button that says Unsubscribe from all. This action tells Getquin to remove that user ID from every email list and notification category tied to it. In most cases, you'll see a confirmation message on the page, letting you know the request was received. From there, expect marketing emails, newsletters, and community alerts to stop. It may take a short time for the change to fully propagate, especially if messages were already queued, but you should notice a reduction fairly quickly. If you don't see a confirmation on the page, try refreshing and submitting again, or revisit the page in a different browser. Also, make sure you entered the correct user ID. Mistyping is the most common reason an unsubscribe doesn't go through. That's all there is to it. By using the official unsubscribe page, adding your correct user ID, and confirming with unsubscribe from all, you've taken the fastest route to cancel Getquin communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your inbox quickly and confidently.